Hey Jens, Jerry Pounds here. Today I'm clearing up a few mortgage myths that I hear all the time from Pittsburgh homebuyers. And believe me, a few of these could cost you serious money if you don't know the truth. So let's jump into it. Myth number one, you need 20% down to buy a home. There's a certain woman on Shark Tank who has gone on national TV many times and said that you need 20% to put down on a home. Jerry Pounds here has emailed many times and said that's simply not true. You do not need 20% in every market. So just know that minimum down if you're a veteran is 0%. There are plenty of first-time homebuyer programs that are 3%. If you're a repeat buyer, it's 5%. Myth number two, the lowest interest rate is always the best deal. It sounds logical, and typically it can be, but it's not that simple. You have to factor in points, fees, and loan terms. I am seeing so many of my competitors slip in fees and literally putting in their email, we're not charging you any points. So you want to look for things like origination fees, discount points, loan level price adjusters points. Those things are all you can categorize under points. Make sure that you notice those on your cost estimate or loan estimate. Number three, pre-approval most oftentimes do guarantee you the loan as long as you've supplied all of your paperwork up front. We certainly verify everything that you've provided. We look at your income and your assets that you provide. So I would say the only time a pre-approval is not guaranteed is if you actually don't provide your paperwork up front for us to review. If you hold off and wait until you go under contract and then we see something, then maybe your pre-approval is not so good. Refining isn't worth it unless rates drop a lot. So you can look at this two different ways. So whenever you're doing a refinance, your loan officer should always do what's called a break-even analysis for you. If they do not provide you with a break-even analysis, you should move on to a different loan officer. So for example, what a break-even analysis is, if you're gonna have your payment at $2,000 a month and you're gonna refinance and it goes down to $1,800 and your costs to do the refinance are $4,000, you take the savings of $200 into $4,000, divide by 12, that will give you your break-even point. So that'll show you how many years and how many months it will take to recoup the cost of rolling in or paying your refinance closing costs out of pocket. So about 25% of my customers who come to me to refinance, I advise them not to do anything because it's a waste of money. For example, if your break-even point is 3 years, but you know you want to sell the house within the next 12 months, it makes no sense to do a refinance. Myth number 5, all mortgage advisors are the same. Again, a lot of these online lenders and even some of our local lenders, they're just data entry clerks. They're just typing, keyboard warriors, just typing in your name, getting your data, but there's no analysis going on. You really need to talk to someone who will look at your pay stubs, who will look at your credit in detail, make sure that they are really digging in, not only verifying everything, but on the flip side of that is being a trusted advisor for you and recommending the absolute best loans for you. Many of these people will just say, oh, FHA loans are more profitable, so I'm going to put you in an FHA loan because it's more profitable to my bank or my mortgage brokerage. With me, I say, look, this is the best loan for you. I would lean towards this, but if you choose this loan, it's also not a bad decision, but I definitely would not choose this loan. I hope that I have debunked some of the most common mortgage myths for you. Don't let myths hold you back. With accurate information and the right advice, you can make smart moves that save you money and grow your wealth. I'm Jerry Pounds. Thank you for watching. Again, if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and follow along for more mortgage insights tailored to Pittsburgh homeowners. See you soon.